Hello, Chef here with another piece of beef. This is a how to butcher beef video. And I thought I would share a couple pointers and a couple things with you as I break this baby down. This is Angus beef. This is USDA choice. Beautiful cut, beautiful muscle group right there. Got to remove some of this silver skin and some of the extra stuff in here. And of course, they always put a little blood in the package because, well, it keeps it moist and it weighs something too. So follow along. We're going to break this baby down. Okay, so we're going to start by removing some of this silver skin. Each individual muscle should be removed and separated like this, right here. And then each of those pieces needs to be cleaned. Remove the silver skin. This right here is not good to eat. You don't want to try to eat that right there. Okay, this meat's looking really nice. Please subscribe to the channel and then follow along. Search stew in this channel and you'll find all kinds of great recipes. Removing this dark bloody spot here. Dark blood like this doesn't taste good, so you don't want that in your stew. And then these pieces are good to go, so I'm just going to cut these into nice uniform chunks like this. This right here is a beautiful stew meat. It's going to be very, very good. Just going to use the tip of my knife and repeat all the way around, separating these muscles. Clean stew meat goes in a mixing bowl. I highly recommend you use stainless steel. That's the best thing out there. All right. Beautiful, nice color in this meat. You want to remove all this extra fat. This is high cholesterol, not so good for you. And once you get a nice clean section like this, you're just going to break it down for a stew into a large cube shape like this. That right there is some perfectly clean beef, looking really, really good. Okay, down to the last muscle here, breaking it down real quick. In case you guys are wondering what this actually cost, some of you are, I'm going to put it in the comments, a little breakdown of the cost of the meat as well as the amount of scrap. I've got about over 1 pound of scrap here off the meat, so that changes the costs quite a bit. That's the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Click that little like button right there, and then search the channel for stew recipes, and you're going to come across a whole bunch of recipes. A lot of good ones there. Whoa, yeah, that is some beautiful beef. It's gonna be good. Oh, another chef tip for you. The knife gets washed in hot soapy water, dried off. The butcher block, I'm using some damp towels followed by dry towels to remove any residue right there. And that's it. Rock maple kills germs. No soap, no scrubbing, no sink, zero bacteria within an hour or so. Research this. There's been a lot of scientific tests done by universities and by other people out there, and trust me when I tell you, best cutting surface there is, kills germs naturally. While I'm here, I thought I'd share with you some stew. The recipe for this stew is on the channel. Just search STEW and you'll find several of them. This is going to be really good. We're going to cook this at a low temperature for a couple of hours. And of course, this is all the essential herbs in there. And wow, that's going to be good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Have a great day.